So what you will do, you will increase your setting. So you will start to have a very hot material, because what you want to do is when you have some dust and everything, the only way you have to glue it together is to melt PVC at a so high level that it's just blending together. But that's not the right way. And what you will do is higher the setting, the power, higher your time, and you will start also to have sparkle, because at the end it's so melted that the electrode goes so deep inside the material that the thickness is very less. So just by cleaning it, only
so what do you clean it usually with alcohol?
Alcohol. Only alcohol.
Nothing else?
Only use yes. Only ethanol.
Sometimes when you clean it with more alcohol, it may damage the.
No. With alcohol it's not damaging. You can use alcohol to clean it. Here you will have encounter nothing.
You're basically asking us to clean this area and this area, wherever there is welding.
Yes, only the area where it's welded. And sometimes
This is on the nicer side and this is on the rough side.
yes. And
if the fabric is clean, it's not required to use alcohol, right?
No.
So what we can do is we can clean the dye as well as the base.
yes, but if you clean the dye, it's here and this way. But mainly, when you encounter this, just because here, if you are looking, it's not so dust. But one thing is, in dust you have also some oil particles, and just because it can be slightly oily, it's begun to get very complicated to weld. So just by sometimes using 3 seconds cleaning with alcohol, you can save a lot of time just by reducing, because you are allowed to reduce the setting. So that's also a way to get a good weld with very less power and less time.
So you are typically the system is about your part and something like this.
Yes, but you know why you have spark? It's because you are there, you are going higher and higher in jumpers in the setting. So when you are here, just try to clean. Sometimes it will just, you will see that,
Dust,
yes.
especially we need to mark the lead pencil with the spark.
Yes.
So lead pencil should be avoided.
No, the only pencil you are allowed to use is with green one.
This one we use.
And also you can use another.
You mean like 1.5?
Sorry,
No, green one.
guys, sorry,
The thermopen.
starting the
And mainly why you encounter sparking is mainly because you don't find, because you are always in this case and you are trying to go higher and higher in temperature. And what is happening here, when I was, because I was also manufacturer, and when we were manufacturing the membrane, our goal was to that's we switch, but switch in the smartest way. So without any sparking, because as soon as you have a sparkle, then you have this. Okay, so what you will do? You will do a test. So you will have something which looks not good. So what will you will change, or you will lose time.
Is there any specific time to wait for our machine does it by itself?
No, you are basically asking about the parameters, what we said.
No.
Those are it's depending on the machine you have, and depending on the material, you have to find the right parameter, because
Yeah,
here
we
are-
have to say.
yes, because here we are speaking about a machine which is 20 kilowatts, and maybe you can have a 60 or 8 kilowatts, and so depending on the electrode you have, depending on the material, depending on the machine, and also because what is inside, you have a conversion, and the conversion, depending on how the quality of the conversion, you can have 20 kilowatts, but at the end you have only 10. Because when you are speaking about the machine, you are thinking about the input and not the output. So